A lot to be blessed for this Thanksgiving for sure.
Oh, I think it came off. Dang it. No, it didn't. Got something right here on the Tar River. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Not sure what we got. A gar, catfish. Got a little pull to it. Nothing real big, but oh, it's full. Little fight to it. Got a shad on, a frozen shad. I gotta watch the mud right here, it's real slick. See what we got. He's not come up yet. That's 222. Oh man. Pretty nice channel cat right there. That's a nice one. About 7-8 pounds right there probably. Yeah, that's a nice one, folks. Whoa. Boy, isn't that funny. He broke as soon as I got him off. Well, about lost him. Let's get up in case he falls. We'll be all right. We'll get a picture or two. Wow, I think that's a personal best right there. That's got to weigh 11, 12 pounds right there. Very nice. That's a channel, folks. That's a nice channel cat here on the Tar River on a frozen shad. It's about 10, 12 pounds right there. Very nice fish. Hey, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. This is Dave here in Falkland, North Carolina. The Tar River, the public boat access right here. Probably got about a 15-pound channel cat, about 30 inches long. A lot to be blessed for this Thanksgiving for sure. Alright guys, appreciate you tuning in. Came down here to the Tar River. Falkland Boat Access. Caught a nice channel cat on a shad. Came down here for Thanksgiving night to fish. Took advantage of a little free time. Everybody have a nice Thanksgiving. Take care.